Hello students, welcome to 12th Commerce Accountancy subject. I am Sandeep Gohel and now we will learn today the topic about subscription entries in NPO. Okay, some students feel that oh sir it is very hard. No, it's not so hard. You just understand the concept that how to do entry for that. Okay, and the important thing is that this kind of question are asked in 3 marks in your exams, and it is also useful for 6 marks question means long for long question it is also useful for you. Okay, that's why it is very important thing for us to learn about the subscription entries. Okay, now first of all I want to tell you what is subscription. It is the membership fees that is received by the NPO every year from the members. Okay, now sometime it would be outstanding, sometime it would be advance received by the NPO from the members. So in this all cases there would be some confusion for the entries, because I have told you in the income and expenditure account only and only the current year subscription to be recorded. So there would be confusion if the outstanding entry is given, if the advance received entries is given. Okay, so what to do about that? There is so much confusion about. So for this confusion, for the solution of that, we will see one problem, one question in this video. Okay, and this is the problem which is given in the board, on the board. Okay, you can see that subscription received. Okay, 3 years subscription is given to you. Okay, 2016-17, 2017-18 it is given, and in 2018-19 it is given. Now in this year is current year. Okay, 2018 year is a current year, so we have to consider this, and by considering this we have to do the remaining entries of subscription in the income and expenditure account. Okay, because there is some additional information also. Okay, subscription outstanding at 2017, it is outstanding, but in which year? Previous year. Okay, it is 20,000. Subscription outstanding at 2018, that is current year outstanding, and that is 30,000 year. Okay, and subscription received in advance in 2017 ईयर. ओके, 2017 ईयर में एडवांस रिसीव हो चुकी थी जो सब्सक्रिप्शन. ओके, एंड दैट इज 20,000 rupees. ओके, so now by all this information we want to do the perfect entry, this subscription entry in the income expenditure account. So first of all you record it in your notebook. I will give you some time for that, and then after we will try to solve it. Okay, just record it. Okay friends, so I feel that you have recorded the question in your notebook, and now we will try to solve that question. We have here in income and expenditure account format, and we will solve this question. Now as we know, subscription is a receipt for us. Okay, so on which side we will record? Of course on receipt side we will record it, because it's a receipt for us. Okay, so we will give the title of subscription here. Okay, subscription. Now first of all we have to write the current year subscription which is given in the beginning. Okay, so 2018 year subscription, how much it is given? It is given 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so we will write here in inner column, because there are some outstandings, there are some advance receive. Okay, and that's why we have confusion that what is the total amount of subscription to be received in the year, in the current year. That's a very big question for us. Okay, and that's why we have to do this process, we have to pass on this process. Okay, that's why we have written the subscription of the current year in the inner column. Now we will see the additional information. Okay, what are the additional information is given? Number one, subscription outstanding as at 31st March 2017 rupees 20,000. Okay, now it is for the previous year outstanding, and whenever it is previous year outstanding, then there is no need to add it because it is for previous year. Okay, if it is for current year, then we can add it, but it is for previous year, then there is no need to add it. Okay, and there is no need to subtract it also. Yes, we can't subtract it from this subscription because it is not said that it is included in this subscription. Okay, it is not said that, so there is no need to deduct it from this amount. Okay, so no consideration of the first information. Now see the second. Subscription outstanding as at 31st March 2018. Okay, for 2018, how much outstanding it is? It is 30,000 rupees. Now we will write here. Add. Yes, we have to add it. Okay, how much outstanding for 2018 year? Okay, and that is 30,000. Okay, which is the next one? Now we will see the third one. Subscription received in advance as at 31st March 2017. Now it is advance received in previous year. So actually it is for current year. Okay, समझ में आता है? It is received in 2017 which is advance receive. अभी वो advance receive है 2017 के लिए, तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है? एडवांस का मतलब क्या होता है? अगले साल का जो इनकम होता है वो इस साल में मिल जाता है, यानी कि 2021 का अगर इनकम हमको 2020 में अगर मिल जाता है, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एडवांस इनकम, इट इज कॉल्ड एडवांस रिसीव. सो सेम वे अगर 2017 में वो एडवांस रिसीव है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि वो इनकम कौन से साल की है? ऑफ कोर्स इट इज ऑफ 2018 ईयर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज फॉर करंट ईयर इनकम, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू ऐड इट. ओके, सो ऐड एडवांस रिसीव for 2017 year. Okay, 2017 year advance receivable. How much it is? It is 20,000. Okay, so we will write here 20,000. Okay, now there is one hidden additional information. Hidden information is given. Now which kind of hidden? Just I will tell you. You can see the first information, subscription outstanding in 2017. Okay, and in the beginning the received subscription of 2017 is how much? 18,000. Okay, so it means that the total outstanding of the previous year is how much? The outstanding given in the information, that is 20,000, and the receipt subscription in 2017 is 18,000. So the difference between them is 2,000. Okay, the 2,000 is the outstanding for the previous year. Now it would be added in the current year. Okay, it would be वो ऐड किया होगा करंट ईयर के आउटस्टैंडिंग वो ऐड किया होगा, क्योंकि प्रीवियस ईयर में अगर 2,000 सब्सक्रिप्शन बाकी है तो वो जो सब्सक्रिप्शन है वो करंट ईयर के आउटस्टैंडिंग में ऐड हुआ होगा, लेकिन वो प्रीवियस ईयर का है तो हमें उसको माइनस करना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो करंट ईयर में ऐड हो चुका है. ओके, यहाँ पे देखो करंट ईयर का सब्सक्रिप्शन कितना लिखा हमने? वी हैव रिटन 30,000. ओके, एंड इन दिस 30,000 द 2,000 ऑफ दिस प्रीवियस ईयर इज ऑलरेडी एडेड. So we have to subtract it because we want only the current year in information. Okay, and that's why we will deduct it less outstanding for 2017 year, and that is what? That is 20,000 minus 80,000, 18,000, 20,000 minus 18,000, and that is 2,000. Okay, so how much it would be there? How much total it would be now finally? So we can say 1 lakh plus 30,000, that is 130. Okay, plus 20, so it is 150, and 150 minus 2,000, so it is 148,000. So 148,000, that is the final amount for this subscription of current year. Okay, now you understand that how to do entry whenever it is outstanding for previous year, whenever it is outstanding for current year, and advance receipt for the previous year, whatever it is. Okay, I have explained you all the things. So remember all the things, that whenever it is given outstanding for the previous year, and if it is received, if one thing that the subscription received for the previous year, then we have to take difference and we should less, like that. Okay, so remember this thing, do practice more and more like this sum. Okay, so it would be very easy for you for your examination, and it would be beneficial for you. Okay, so this is all about. In the next video we will see them some next kind of question about subscription. Okay, that's all from me. Goodbye, see you.